How to increase video RAM graphics without any software. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily increase your video's graphics memory on your RAM. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get right into the video. The first thing you need to do is update your Intel's graphic card drivers. So if you're using the Intel's integrated graphic card and you do not have a separate dedicated graphics card on your PC, then the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up Device Manager. And once you find your Device Manager, all you need to do here is find your display adapters. Click on this arrow to bring this drop down. Now right click on the driver and then click on Update. Now search automatically for drivers, and if it says the best drivers for you is already installed, that's great. Now the second thing that you need to do is check your display graphic card's memory. So right click on it, click on Display Settings, and once your display settings is open, scroll down until you find the Advanced Display, and here click on Display Adapter Properties. So as you can see, I have 8 gigs of RAM on my laptop. So if you have, as you can see, the available graphics memory here is almost 4 GB, but the dedicated video memory is only 128 MB. So if you want to change this, what you can do is first open your Run dialog box and type in Regedit, hit enter, and then tap on Yes. So here what you're going to do is, let me just close out all of this first. Here what you're going to do is click on the HKey local machine to expand it. Now from here head over to software. Click on and expand your software as well. And once you have done that, you're going to scroll down until you find Intel. So go ahead and find Intel and click on the drop down. And here you are going to create a new graphics memory. So just right click on it and then from here click on New, and you are going to create a new key here. So click on Key and then you are going to name your key this GMM. And once you do that, you are going to create a new DWORD 32-bit value here, and you are going to name it the dedicated segment size. So here you can just go ahead and rename it as dedicated. Just write it how I'm writing here. All of the first letters are capital, segment, and then size, like this, and hit enter. So I have already created one, so I'm just going to delete this. And here on its value, what you're going to do is, if you have a 2 gigs of RAM on your 2 gigs of memory, you are going to put the value 256. If you have 4 gigs, it's 512. If you have 8 gigs, it's 1024. And if you have 16, it's 2048. So I have 8 gigs of RAM on my 8 gigs of memory. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter this value right here and then click on OK. And after you have done that, your video graphics memory should be boosted. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. And if you have any comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.